What's up, guys? I'm back. I wasn't able to post anything last week because of drill with National Guard. Wasn't able to record anything. But now we're here at the range. We're the only one here. It's kind of, not gonna lie, it's kind of creepy. So today we are going to be shooting my SPR. And I haven't shot this rifle in a while. Years, actually. I think it's like a year and a half or something. Yeah, this has just been sitting in my closet for a while. But recently I just bought a new trigger for it. It is a Geissele SDE. I've been wanting this particular trigger for this rifle build, mainly because it is flat and it is light. So that's kind of what I want on an SPR. So without further ado, let's get to zeroing. All right. From the LPVO, I can tell that my shots were bottom right. So they're going bottom right, right? They're going around here. So I need to make some conversions real quick. 4 left and 4 up. All right, let's see if I was right. Windage seems to be off. The turrets, there's no like click. There's no audible click. You can't feel if it's a click or not. You just turn it and that's it. It's like right now we're gonna shoot some drills. I did say I was gonna 0 out of 100, but I don't think it's necessary. Yeah, I'm gonna be running the same drill I ran with my other rifle. Single shot A zone, 10 yards, high and low ready, under 0.5 seconds. That's Charlie, 0.71. That's A zone, 0.7, 0.79. Are you ready? That is Charlie, 1.13. That is A zone, 0.95. All right. Still not meeting the standards, but this is a little bit heavy though. Let's do low ready. That is A zone, 0.80. A zone, 1.18. Yeah, the LPVO is, it requires you to have the same exact eye relief every time. So I'm still trying to fish for it a little bit. I don't shoot LPVOs a lot, but yeah, this is all new to me right now. Headshot 10 yards, high and low ready, under 0.5. Three rounds A zone, high and low ready, under 1 second. 1.38, 1.37, 147, 2.2. 5 rounds A zone, high and low ready, 90% A's. 2.15, 2.44. 6 round headshot, high or low ready. No time. Oh, yep. Really lost the dot there on the last one. Now we're doing 1 reload 1 under 3 seconds. .56. 3.98. 4 seconds. All right, now we're gonna do some movement drills. It is 2 shots A zone at 10 yards, then run back 20 yards and shoot 2 more A zone. There's no time in this one. Woo! Okay. Okay. That was pretty good. Do it again. Do it again. Man, I love movement drills, man. I love movement drills. All right. Hi, ready? Woo! 8 seconds. 8 seconds. We'll do it one more. We'll see if we can beat 8. 6 seconds. Oh. Whew. That's my cardio for today. Man, that was sick. That was nice. See the last one? 180-degree turn, 2 shots A zone, 20 yards. 230. 202. 1.76. 1.75. All right. That is gonna be it for this range day. Finally took out my SPR. It's been a while. Thought I'd bring it out and give it some love, you know, give it some love. And also just to get into, well, finally getting into the SPR range, because I've been building this gun for years now and I've never really taken it out to range, believe it or not. This is probably the only range that is suitable for this gun, mainly because this area is a bit more spacious. Best open range I've ever been to, mainly because of how spacious it is, and also because there's not a lot of people here. If you like this kind of content, like the video and subscribe, please. It'll help me out. I'm trying to grow my channel. If you guys have any tips on SPR, because this is my first time getting into this kind of realm. Like, I don't usually shoot long range, but if you guys have any tips on like a good bipod, just weapon parts or anything like that, just how to shoot SPR in general, how to shoot long range, you know, I'm open to it. I'm gonna need all the help I can get because I'm a little lost right now. I don't have a lot of people that I know that shoots long range. So if you guys can help me out, that'll be appreciated. You guys have a good one and have a good weekend.